I'm working on a project where I need to handle a lot of network traffic asynchronously. I heard about the Twisted library in Python. Can you tell me more about it?
Twisted is an event-driven networking engine in Python. It's designed to handle asynchronous I/O operations, which is ideal for scenarios with high network traffic and the need for non-blocking operations.
Sounds promising. How does Twisted handle asynchronous operations differently from other libraries?
Twisted uses a reactor pattern, which is an event loop that listens for events and dispatches them to event handlers. This pattern allows you to write non-blocking code, which means your server can handle other requests while waiting for responses or data from the network.
Interesting. Can you show me a simple example?
Sure. Here's a basic Twisted application that creates a TCP server. In this example, Echo is a protocol that simply sends back whatever data it receives. Echo Factory generates instances of Echo, and the reactor listens on TCP port 8000.
That looks straightforward. How about handling HTTP requests?
Twisted has built-in support for HTTP. Here's a basic HTTP server. In this snippet, Simple is a resource that responds to GET requests with "Hello, world."
This is helpful. What about client-side operations, like making HTTP requests?
Twisted also supports client-side operations. Here's an example of making an HTTP request. This code creates an HTTP agent to make a GET request to example.com, then prints the response details.
Does Twisted support modern Python features like async/await?
Twisted predates these features, and its core doesn't use them. However, you can integrate Twisted with async/await using libraries like twisted.internet.deferred and suredeferred.
It seems quite powerful. Are there any drawbacks I should be aware of?
Twisted's learning curve can be steep because of its unique approach to asynchronous programming. Also, its integration with other modern async frameworks might require additional work.
Thanks. This gives me a good starting point to explore Twisted further.
You're welcome. Remember, Twisted is a robust tool for network programming, especially when you need fine-grained control over asynchronous operations.